Psalm 26. Vindicate me, O Lord, for I have walked in my integrity. In the Lord I have trusted, and I will not waver. Probe me, O Lord, and try me. Refine my inmost being and my heart. For your mercy is before my eyes, and I have walked in your truth. I have not sat with deceitful men, and with dissemblers I will not enter. I have hated the assembly of evildoers, and with the wicked I will not sit. I wash my hands in innocence, and I go about your altar, O Lord, to raise a voice of thanksgiving, and to recount all your wonders. O Lord, I have loved the dwelling of your house, and the place where your glory abides. Do not gather my soul with sinners, nor my life with men of blood, in whose hands are schemes, and whose right hand is full of bribes. But I will walk in my integrity. Redeem me, and have mercy on me. My foot stands on level ground. In the assemblies I will bless the Lord.